All right, guys, check this one out. Custom grill we just had done for a customer. 6 top, 6 bottom, real solid 925 sterling silver, guys. This is not plated, it's the real thing. Sterling silver, 92.5%. You're looking at diamond cuts, actually diamond dust on this one, with a Starburst diamond cuts. Look at that. All right, now this is available on our website. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Custom fitted, handmade work, guys. Look at that. You could do a top, bottom, or a set just like this. All online, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.